As you're sitting and getting centered, think about tucking your seat underneath you so that that's better, so there's no arch back.
I noticed that yesterday when I was riding, kept stopping to adjust the torque forward.
Really thinking about the 3 points of contact that are your pelvis, right? And you're loading that front one too much. Getting it back and getting those two seat bones being the load bearing. Yes, there's contact, but there's not load on the front point. That's better. Right. Reins go a little bit longer and send her forward. Big bouncy trot. Nose straight in front of you. Put your hands level and straight. You can still circle and loop and figure eight and whatever, but just really get her stretchy and moving out. Bigger circles. Still a little more energy forward. Soft, equal hands, no hanging on your inside. Check in with your legs. They're bouncing and flapping. Every movement those legs make need to mean something. Send her forward. Inside bend, soften up your right hand. Bigger strides. Rise bigger, send her forward. Forget the loops for a minute and get her moving. No tap. Ah, the girl. Inside bend. Step down into your outside stirrup and bring her nose to the inside. Forward again. So go on to a circle left. And really feel your weight down in your outside heel so that you're weighting your outside hip. Yeah, but asking her to look to the inside with your inside eights. Yeah, but helping her stand up by pressing down on the outside. When she leans on the bit, you get a little bit firmer. And then do the same on the right. Put her on a right circle. Weight the outside. Bend her to the inside. Run through your checklist. Do you still have forward? Tap, tap. So standing on the left heel, bending in with the inside eights. Yeah, and if you find her drifting out, then you've got too much weight on the outside. She's going underneath it. And we know that's true of you, right? You like to stand out on the left leg. So to the right, you probably don't need to put any conscious thought into it. But let's go back to the left and put some conscious thought into the outside foot. So standing on that right heel. Right heel, right heel, right heel, right heel. There you go. Yeah, encouraging her to drift out there and help out that shoulder. But still inside bend. Ensure that that nose comes to the inside so the shoulder doesn't drop to the outside. And tap her forward again. You've lost the forward pizzazz. Your legs are working too hard. And when you're ready, let's go up into canter. Legs down, sit down. So Shelly, your left leg is just swinging back right now. Make sure you're down in the saddle.